In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove logos from photos in ClipDrop. We'll walk through a quick, clean workflow you can follow in your browser. Use this technique responsibly, and only on images you're allowed to edit. With that said, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to clipdrop.co. ClipDrop runs right in the browser, so there's nothing to install. Once the homepage loads, you're in the right place to access their powerful cleanup tool. Next, look for the Tools option in the top navigation and click it. This opens ClipDrop's toolbox with several AI features. We're focusing on the one designed to erase unwanted objects from photos. From the list of tools, click Cleanup. This is the workspace where you'll remove the logo. The interface is simple, with a preview area in the center and a small toolbar for the brush and actions. On the Cleanup page, click the area that says Paste or Drop. You can drag and drop an image file straight into the window or paste an image from your clipboard. Once your photo appears on screen, you're ready to prepare the brush. Now click Brush Size. A slider will appear so you can adjust how thick your brush strokes are. Pick a brush that's just a bit wider than the logo you're removing. For tiny details or edges, go smaller. For big flat logos, go larger. Zooming in with your browser can also help you paint precisely. Brush the logo by painting over it completely. Aim to cover the entire logo and a thin margin around it to give the AI enough context. Use steady strokes, and if you overpaint into an important area, undo and try a smaller brush for the edges. It's often better to make a few careful passes than one giant selection. When your selection looks good, click Clean. ClipDrop will analyze the surrounding pixels and rebuild the background where the logo used to be. Give it a moment. If you notice artifacts or repeated patterns, undo, refine your selection, adjust the brush size, and clean again. Tighter selections around edges usually yield more natural results. Once you're happy with the result, click Download. Your cleaned image will save to your device, typically in your default downloads location. Open it to confirm the logo is gone and the background looks consistent. That's it. Go to ClipDrop, open Cleanup, paste or drop your image, set the brush size, paint over the logo, clean, and download. With a little practice, you'll remove logos quickly and cleanly while keeping your photos looking natural.